Disclaimer: this video is for educational and commentary purposes only. All scenarios discussed are future projections and personal opinions based on publicly available data and sources. Viewers are encouraged to do their own research and draw their own conclusions. Let us recap Part 1. The global digital trap is already here. Central bank digital currencies are rolling out worldwide. Your paycheck will soon be tied directly to your digital identity. Programmable money is not a concept. It is a controlled mechanism. You will only be allowed to spend, send, or receive money if the system permits. Your access can be paused, denied, or frozen. The United States is losing its power as the world reserve currency. BRICS nations are rising to take its place. CBDC pilot programs are already live. Once this system is activated fully, there is no way out. This is not science fiction. This is not the future. This is right now. Let us be clear. This is not the time to be distracted. This is not the time to play around. While you are watching shows, chasing dopamine, flexing in the gym, or cruising the streets, the world is changing under your feet. And most of you are not ready. You ignored the warnings. You ignored the digital prison being built around you. Now you are walking into it blind. Smart contracts are locking down assets. You are being monitored. You are being ranked. You are being judged and evaluated. This is the new system, and it is happening everywhere. Not just in the United States. Digital currencies are being developed and tested in every major country. Look it up yourself. The Clarity Act, the Genius Act, the Stable Act, the Anti-CBDC Surveillance State Act, the Atlantic Council CBDC Tracker. Governments are moving toward one digital system, one currency, one infrastructure, one rule. This is no longer a warning, it is reality. In 2025, millions will be laid off. In 2026, it will get worse. And if you think you are safe because of your job title, think again. Amazon warehouse workers are being replaced by robots. Retail cashiers are gone. Self-checkout and artificial intelligence stores are the standard. Car salespeople are being replaced by online platforms. Real estate agents are being replaced by smart contracts. Mortgage officers are being replaced by automated approval systems. Customer service is handled by chatbots. Nurses are being replaced by wearable health, technology, and robotic care. Teachers are being replaced by artificial intelligence tutors. Truck drivers and delivery workers are being taken over by self-driving vehicles. Security guards are being replaced with facial recognition technology. Fast food workers are being replaced by automated kitchens. Office assistants are already being replaced by scheduling software and virtual assistants. Even the jobs that feel safe are not. The credit of the United States has already been downgraded. You just have not felt the impact yet, but it is coming. This channel is not about scaring you. It is about showing you the new financial system and how to survive inside it. This is not about investing. This is about ownership, positioning, and survival. While most of you are watching comedy shows, going to parties, dancing in clubs, flexing for likes, scrolling endlessly, the accumulators have been studying, building, preparing. We already told you, generational wealth will not be passed down like before. This system is not built for inheritance. It is built for dependency. If you are not building now, your children will have nothing to stand on, nothing to inherit, nothing to defend themselves with. What is coming next? One global system, one programmable currency, one digital identity. No matter if you are working, laid off, retired, or collecting benefits, when universal basic income is active, The money will come with restrictions. You will be told what you can buy, when you can buy it, if you are even allowed to buy at all. Programmable money does not serve you. It controls you. You will not own anything because your money will own you. Next, biochips and implants, tracking your body, your movement, your health, your behavior, say the wrong thing, move the wrong way, spend in the wrong place, access denied, and when that day comes, you will look to your friends for help. But they will not be able to help you because their access will be locked to the accumulators. Will have a different kind of freedom, not total freedom, but leverage, mobility, options. They will not be depending on the system. They will be navigating it because they prepared ahead of time. Let us be honest. There will be two types of people in this new system: those who are positioned and those who are dependent. This channel is not here to entertain. It is here to build, to grow, to strive, to accumulate. We are not giving handouts. We are offering a warning. We are extending a hand. But whether you take it or not, you will live with the results of your decision. If you want to accumulate assets and understand the system, this channel is for you. If you do not care, we are still moving forward without you. We are not waiting for the masses. We are already ahead of them. If this message woke you up, subscribe, like, share, leave a comment. If you have a topic you want us to cover, let us know. You ignored the warnings. Now you will own nothing and not understand how it happened because you were too distracted to see it. The accumulators saw it coming. And we are still early. We are still building. We are still stacking. You are either accumulating or getting replaced. Decide now. Choose wisely.